In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $10,250 in commission just in 18 days promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys how you can create an affiliate account like this one and how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic. And I will share with you guys new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission, okay? So I made this commission from the first day of April until the day 18 of April. Okay, I made $10,250. Okay, only promoting affiliate links using free traffic. So anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, just go to Google. Okay, first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. You just need to use your email address and that's it. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. This is the best profitable and affiliate marketing business that you can start as beginner. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So just put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Answer next few questions. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. It's super easy. So this will be your dashboard account. Okay, so if you click over here, you have affiliate marketing, you have dashboard, marketing tools, you have report, you have payments, post back, sub affiliates, commission plan, affiliate store, and so on. Okay, it's really super easy. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. Okay, so pay attention. So what you will do next, just go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, like this, go back to this page like this, to your homepage on Fiverr. Okay, click on the search for gaming thumbnail. Okay, search for this service, gaming thumbnail. Okay, here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good seller, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check those sellers, and if they find those sellers has a lot of reviews, good reviews, they are expert, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose one of those sellers. I think like this one is looking really good. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. This service starting just from $5, so a lot of people can buy this service. Okay, that's really good. So what you will do next, you will click on this service like this. Just click on this service. Here you go. You will be directly in this Fiverr profile, in this seller profile page on Fiverr like this, as you can see. And this seller has a lot of reviews, really good. People keep coming back. This seller is providing good service for his customers, has 5 orders in queue. That's really good. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this seller profile link like this. We will go back to our affiliate account on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have Fiverr affiliate, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, okay? And click on default and dip links, okay? Here you go. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook to show you how you can do it. So you guys all have Facebook account, okay? It's really super easy. So just open your Facebook account like this. Click over here on the search. Search for YouTube gamers, okay? Search for YouTube gamers like this, okay? You have here filters, okay? Scroll down and click on groups because we need Facebook groups, okay? Here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about YouTube gamers, okay? What you will do next, you need to join those groups, okay? So make sure to join all those groups. They are really super easy and simple, guys, okay? So just click on join and you will join all those groups, okay? So let's check, for example, this group over here, YouTube gamers, okay? And this is a public group, that's really good. You can also join private group, that's fine, and it's for free, okay? Just click on the group that you want to use, scroll down, here you go. You will find people here who are posting their YouTube videos gaming, okay? Why those people are posting their YouTube gaming videos here? So those people, they want to grow their YouTube gaming channels, okay? They want to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels, okay? That's why they are posting their YouTube gaming videos here, okay? And as you can see, if we scroll down, you can find a lot of people promoting their YouTube gaming channels here. So those people will be interested to buy this gaming YouTube thumbnail service, okay? To get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels, okay? So what you will do next, so let's check, for example, like this person, okay? This person has a gaming YouTube channel. So what I will do, I will click on his name and I will click on message, okay? So I will send a friendly and professional message to this person with my affiliate link, okay? So how you can create a professional and friendly message that can convince this person to buy this service from your affiliate link. What you will do next, it's super easy, guys. So we will use AI, okay? So go to Google and search for ChatGPT, okay? It's super easy, guys. You can use just the free version, okay? Sign up by using your email address. I already did this and I have a ChatGPT account for free. This is free version. And ask ChatGPT, click over here on message, okay? And put this message. Or you can put a message that you want, okay? So for me, I just ask ChatGPT create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy YouTube gaming thumbnail service from my Fiverr affiliate link, okay? And ChatGPT created this friendly and professional message. It's really amazing, okay? Hey everyone, are you tired of spending hours designing eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube gaming videos? Look no further, I have found an awesome solution that saved me time and boost my channel appeal, okay? I recently discovered a fantastic thumbnail design service on Fiverr that's specifically tailored for YouTube gamers like us, okay? They offer professional looking thumbnails. It's really a professional and friendly message, okay? And what you will do next, you have also here, if you are interested in leveling up your YouTube gaming with a killer thumbnail, I highly recommend checking it out. Here is the link to the service. You will put your affiliate link here. So what you will do, let's copy this message to show you how you can do it. Copy this message from here, go back to your Facebook, to this Facebook person, to this group, okay? Click over here and put this message here like this, okay? And what you will do next, let me see. Sure, okay, I will just delete this, the first part, okay, to make it like it's a human message, okay, like this. Hey everyone, are you tired? That's really good. I will just scroll down to find a part that I will put my affiliate link in. Okay, here is the part, okay, like this. You need to put your affiliate link here, and that's it. So what you will do next, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, you can't see this Fiverr CPA old plan, because me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. This account is almost like 4 years now. Okay, I started this business for like 4 years. Okay, and so you can see this, okay, but you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, it's almost the same, just copy your affiliate link from here like this. And as you can see guys, this affiliate link is too much long. I really like to make it short, so for me it doesn't matter, it's not important. You can but for me, I just like to make it short. You can use this website if you also want to make your affiliate link short. Just put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. And copy your affiliate link from here, go to Facebook and put your affiliate link in this part here, and here you go, your message is ready. Click on send, and here you go, your message will be sent to this person. It's super easy guys. Okay, your message will be sent like this, okay, with your affiliate link. Professional and friendly message. Hey everyone, are you tired of spending a catchy? That's a really, it's professional message, okay? So if this person is interested to grow his gaming YouTube channel, he will message you back, and he will, if he is really interested, he will click on your affiliate link, for example like this. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service for just $5, and you will earn commission. And that's it. Those people are your customers. You just need to learn how you can convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link. And you can find millions of people who have gaming YouTube channels from Facebook groups. Okay, guys, Facebook usually has a lot of traffic. Okay, so 16 billion monthly visitors. Okay, that's really a lot of traffic. Okay, so millions of people every single day are searching for services, product, topics on Facebook groups. You guys don't know the potential of Facebook groups. Okay, you can make really a lot of money. Okay, if you do it correctly, if you know how to convince people to buy those services from your affiliate link, you can make so much money. Okay, and if you come to those groups every single day, you will find new people posting their YouTube channels videos. Okay, gaming videos or any videos. Okay, here is another person. I can click over here, I can click on message, and I can send a message to this person because this person has gaming YouTube channel. If we scroll down, here is another person. Those people just posted those posts today. Okay, those people has gaming YouTube channels. Okay, so those people are your customers. If you know how to convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, you can make so much money, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using to earn a lot of commission every single month. Okay, and that's it. So I show you guys how you can start your affiliate marketing business. I show you how you can find and use a profitable services, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. The business model is very clear. Okay, it's just up to you. Okay, so what's left is your work. Go and learn how you can sell. Okay, you can go, if you don't know exactly how to do it, just go to YouTube and search for topic how to sell. You can get so much information that you can use to convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link. I'm also guys working on a course that will cover everything for people who don't know even how to start it. If you don't know even how to do it from scratch, this course will help you. Okay, this course can be done in the next week, So guys, stay tuned, and please guys, like this video, leave a comment, okay, subscribe to this channel, because I will still share a lot of profitable services and methods that can help you to earn commission as a beginner with affiliate marketing. And see you in my next video.